Hi friend, welcome to my channel Digital Remote Sensing. Today I will discuss how to Cropland suitability zone identification through AHP method or analytical hierarchy process method by weighted overlay analysis in ArcGIS 10.3 software. So at first open ArcGIS. So criteria of this Cropland suitable zone slope map, precipitation, elevation, and temperature and satellite image or land use land cover. At first, add this layer slope map. So at first, add slope data. So this is the slope map of Sikkim. And next layer add by temperature. Sikkim shape file. Sikkim precipitation. And land use land cover already classified. This land use land cover various type of classify and elevation. So already 5 layers available here: elevation, land use land cover, and average precipitation, temperature, and slope map. So at first, these 5 layers reclassify. Spatial analysis tool, go to reclass. Reclassify input. At first, reclassify Sikkim elevation data. Classify. So three class of this Sikkim elevation data. Method equal interval. So this class already classify analytical hierarchy process method used. So go to Google and search understanding the analytical hierarchy process. Enter. So analytical hierarchy process. So understanding analytical hierarchy process PDF already open and click this PDF and next open of this PDF. So this PDF are understanding the analytical hierarchy process method used to develop model. So decision of the hierarchy of buying a car. So this PDF pairwise comparison scale. There are extremely important 9 and equally important 1. So driving the priority weight of criteria. this PDF is read this and better understanding of this weight of the analytical hierarchy process. So very important, read this understanding of the analytical hierarchy process PDF and better understanding of this weighted overlay analysis. Then go to ArcGIS. So this is the Sikkim dam or elevation. So three classes. So first weight, high, 5, 4 and 1. Then output raster, Cropland folder. So this is the elevation. And save and OK. Already reclassify of elevation. Remove this previous elevation data. Next, reclassify of Sikkim land use land cover. Classify so deciduous land. So 1. So this weight already analytical hierarchy process PDF. Read this and better understand of the weight. No and 0. And next output raster, land use, land cover and OK. Complete, reclassify land use, land cover. Next, remove this. Next, there are precipitation, reclassification. Classes 3 and method equal interval, then OK. One, 4 and 5 output PVT precipitation. Reclassify precipitation, reclassify slope, map or temperature. Classify equal interval and plus 3, then OK. Temperature 1, 4, 5 output temperature. reclassify temperature. Next, already complete this work. At least slope. Classify one, 4 and 5 output. Slope, then okay. So complete this reclassify of this data. So next, there are overlay method use. Go to overlay, special analysis tool, and next overlay and weighted overlay. So input 4 layer: slope, temperature, precipitation, and elevation. Slope, temperature, PPT, precipitation, and at least elevation. So weight at first, influence total 100%. So 15 of the slope, temperature 30, PPT 35, and elevation and 20. So 100 of these weighted sum of the influence 100 set equaling influence. So output weighted overlay. Then okay. To complete the weighted overlay analysis, the next step go to analysis, spatial analysis, and math algebra, then raster calculator. The condition float input land use, land cover, reclassify, raster file, then multiplier and overlay. This overlay layer input here, then output raster. Cropland suitable map. So raster calculator is complete already. Cropland suitable land image done. Go to properties and classes. So 4 classes. Change this color So this is the Cropland suitable zone. So these portions are very important of the Cropland suitable zone. So 4 classes of the Cropland suitable zone. So red color is the very suitable place of this Cropland suitability zone over the Sikkim. If my video is helpful to you, please like this video. It will be very helpful every ArcGIS learner. So share this video among your friends to get every notification from my channels. Please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Thanks for watching.